Alright, so this is my very first cigar unboxing video. Got this from JR Cigars. Let's see what happens. Total paid $103 for a box of Romeo Julieta, crafted by AJ Fernandez. Usually anything with an AJ Fernandez label means that it's exquisite. He's a master blender, collaborates with a number of other producers, cigar makers. Show you my cigar box pedestal. That actually works. Look at that. This up. Ooh. Look at that. Beautiful presentation. Wrapped with a little cedar. Little cut. A little light. Oh man, the initial hit, vanilla. Nothing offensive at all. Creamy. Of course, the flavor might change as I get down to the bottom. I usually like it spicier here. The nub, if you will. Outstanding. Outstanding. Romeo Julieta, crafted by AJ Fernandez, Nicaragua.